Hey everybody, welcome back to your digital photography class. Taking a look at our weekly preview, we are in week 10, the last week of our quarter and our semester together. So starting off the week, we have an end of semester survey giving me a little feedback. Then you guys are wrapping up with a digital photography test, touching base on the topics we've discussed this entire quarter and semester. Then at the end of the week, you guys have your final portfolio. This is going to be a group of 6 to 10 photos that you will be submitting. Photos you've submitted already or ones you have yet to submit that you would like to. Also, keep in mind that extra credit opportunity to submit up to 6 photos of animals. If you guys have any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out and be sure to end your quarter successfully. Take care.